Hello students, I am Dr. Shashi Tyagi. Today we will discuss vector space part 4 in linear algebra. Student, in this part we will discuss vector subspace. Student, I have made these lectures in Hindi as well as in English language. For English version please go to playlist. आज के इस लेक्चर में स्टूडेंट हम डिस्कस करेंगे definition of vector subspace, zero subspace, improper subspace and proper subspace. After that, statement and proof of three important theorems on vector subspace. Now come to definition of vector subspace और इसको हम subspace of a vector space भी बोलते हैं. Definition: a non-empty subset W of a vector space V over a field F is called a vector space V if W itself a vector subspace over the field F with respect to the operation vector addition and scalar multiplication in V. इसका मतलब यह है कि जो भी कंडीशंस हमारी वेक्टर स्पेस V के लिए हमें प्रूव करनी है वही हमें W के लिए प्रूफ होनी चाहिए, तब हम उसको वेक्टर सबस्पेस ऑफ V कहेंगे. Now come to zero vector subspace of V. The subset 0 consisting of the zero vector alone is the subspace of V and is called zero or null subspace of V. Now come to improper subspace. Every vector space V over a field F has two trivial or improper subspace 0 यानी zero subspace and V itself. Proper subspace is a subspace of a vector space V over a field F other than V is called proper subspace. Now come to theorems on vector space. Theorem first is the necessary and sufficient condition for a non-empty subset W of a vector space Vf is to be a vector subspace of Vf. Vf means vector space over a field F is that W is closed under the addition and scalar multiplication in V. In की respect में closed होना चाहिए W. Necessary condition इसकी हो जाएगी since W is a subspace of Vf, it is a vector space. W subspace है तो vector space की सारी condition true होंगी. Hence W is closed with respect to addition and scalar multiplication in V. Now come to sufficient condition. To show that if W is closed with respect to addition and scalar multiplication in V, then W is a vector space. इसके लिए हम क्या करेंगे? Alpha belongs to W, 1 belongs to F. Then since W is closed under scalar multiplication, we have minus 1 belongs to F and minus 1 alpha belongs to W. Here minus 1 alpha equal to minus 1 alpha minus alpha properties of subspace. Now alpha belongs to W minus alpha belongs to W. For all alpha belongs to W, as W is closed under addition in V, we have alpha belongs to W minus alpha belongs to W. This implies alpha plus minus alpha is equal to 0 belongs to W. Further, associative and commutative law holds good in W since they holds in V is a superset of W. Therefore, W plus is an abelian group. The other postulates of vector space also holds in W since they holds in V is a superset of W. Therefore, W is a vector subspace of Vf. Now come to second theorem. The necessary and sufficient condition for a non-empty subset W of a vector space Vf to be a vector subspace of V is that alpha beta belongs to W and AB belongs to F. A alpha plus bw belongs to b beta belongs to w. Now come to proof. First necessary conditions. Here w is a vector space, hence alpha belongs to w, a belongs to f, a alpha w को belong करेगा, b belongs to w, beta belongs to w, b belongs to f, b beta belongs to w. So a alpha belongs to w, b beta belongs to w. This implies a alpha plus b beta belongs to w. It is true. Now come to second condition. Alpha beta belongs to w, a b belongs to f, a alpha plus b beta belongs to w. इसमें हम a इक्वल टू 1 रख दिया, b इक्वल टू 1 रख दिया. On putting this, alpha beta belongs to w, 1 alpha plus 1 beta belongs to w. This implies alpha plus beta belongs to w. Hence w is closed under the addition. If b is 0, we get a alpha beta belongs to w, a alpha plus g 0 beta belongs to w. This implies a alpha belongs to w. Thus a belongs to f, alpha belongs to w, a alpha belongs to w. It is true. Hence w is closed under scalar multiplication. Thus w is a subspace of V. Now come to important theorem. Third, the necessary and sufficient condition for a non-empty subset W of a vector space V to be a vector subspace of V is, first condition is alpha beta belongs to W, alpha minus beta belongs to W होना चाहिए. Second condition, alpha belongs to F, alpha belongs to W, sorry, A belongs to F, alpha belongs to W, A alpha belongs to W होना चाहिए. Proof necessary condition. Here W is a subspace of V, so W is an abelian group with respect to addition. Alpha beta belongs to W, alpha minus beta belongs to W. Also, W must be closed under the scalar multiplication. So, alpha belongs to W, A belongs to F, alpha minus beta belongs to W. Since W is closed under scalar multiplication, thus both conditions are necessary. Sufficient condition पर आते हैं. If W is a non-empty subset of V satisfying two given condition, the form condition क्या है हमारी? Alpha belongs to W, alpha belongs to W, alpha minus alpha. This implies 0 belongs to W. That is 0 vector of V belongs to W. Also from first condition 0 and alpha belongs to W. This implies 0 minus alpha belongs to W, minus alpha belongs to W. Thus if alpha belongs to W, its additive inverse minus alpha belongs to W हो गया. If so alpha beta belongs to W, alpha belongs to W, minus beta W को belong करेगा, तो alpha minus times beta belongs to W. दैट इज, इसका मतलब क्या होगा कि अल्फ़ा बीटा डब्लू को बिलोंग कर रहे हैं, तो अल्फ़ा प्लस बीटा भी हमारा डब्लू को बिलोंग करेगा. हैज़ डब्लू इज क्लोज विद रिस्पेक्ट टू वेक्टर एडिशन. एज द एलिमेंट्स ऑफ डब्लू आर ऑल्सो द एलिमेंट्स ऑफ वी, where V is a vector space, the vector addition is commutative as well as associative in W. This therefore W is an abelian group under vector addition. Further, the condition second gives that W is closed under scalar multiplication. The other postulates of vector space holds in W because they holds in V of which W is a सबसेट. W जो है सबसेट है V का, तो वो कंडीशन हमारी सारी ट्रू होंगी. हैंस W इज ए वेक्टर सब स्पेस ऑफ V. स्टूडेंट्स, आज के लेक्चर में इतना ही. आई होप ये लेक्चर आपको समझ में आया होगा. ये जो तीनों थ्योरम्स हैं इम्पॉर्टेंट थ्योरम है, इनका स्टेटमेंट भी इम्पॉर्टेंट है और प्रूफ भी इम्पॉर्टेंट है. तो आप इस लेक्चर को 2-3 बार देखिए और अपनी बुक को कंसल्ट करिए, और तभी आपको अच्छी तरह समझ में आएगा. और ज़्यादा से ज़्यादा स्टूडेंट में शेयर कीजिए ताकि सभी स्टूडेंट्स को इसका बेनिफिट मिल सके. थैंक्स फॉर वॉचिंग. this lecture.